good morning, people of the internet, or good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. Obviously, because I'm recording this, it means there's another video time. Today, it's more work on the MX5, or one of our very own products, but it's pretty much the same as every other product like this, of this type. But we're going to be installing the one that we make in-house, and I'll show you now. So it's a COPS kit install. Obviously, I've got the COPS here, brand new in the box. The pigtail wiring, which is this, which will go to your igniter, the actual COPS wiring kit itself, and the mounting bracket, all supplied by us at GFBDevelopments. I will show you this on a 1.6, which is obviously igniter NA type, and I've also got it installed on a 1.8, which will be in another video at some point. But this is just the general gist of how you install it and how you get the car up and running, how easy it is with our COPS kits. So sit back, enjoy. It'll be another point of view video, because obviously we like to use the GoPro, but obviously sit back and enjoy, and I'll see you in a moment. Okay, so what's the kit comprise of? The wiring harness, including the pigtail if you want it, which some of the people don't want this, they want to pre-terminate all of this, they want to terminate, sorry, all of that themselves, but obviously if you want it, you just have to tell us. Mounting bracket, which is obviously of our own making. We do sell these separate as well if you need to. If you want to make your own wiring harness, then you can get these separate. This is actually a prototype version that I'm just going to use. It's not actually the type of one you'd probably get. You might get the one with the standoffs. We do still supply ones like this. Like I say, this was one that we just did a first design off, and it's not really needed now. And your coil packs. I'll just do that. And obviously your manual, and you will get sweets as well. So sweets to keep you fueled. They've got obviously Haribo's. What more can you ask for, really? Obviously, if you've got any questions about installing them, we're happy to ask. If you're local to sort of the Midlands area, we'll even come and install it for you if you want, or at least guide you through the install. So what we'll do now is we'll get the old coil packs off, and we'll install the mounting bracket and the coil packs, and then we'll start on the wiring side of things, which is cutting the end of the connector off, and obviously soldering everything, going by the manual. Okay, sit back, enjoy. First thing, remove all of this. I can leave them on actually. There's nuts down the back. This one's not on. Brilliant, someone's had this off before. Okay, get your COPS wiring. This is important. This must be bolted down anywhere on any of the holes on the rocker cover. Get this. This needs to come off now. Okay. And splice with the connector in, like so.
Stop some of the flies a bit.
Yeah. Okay, coil packs are in. Now fire up the ECU. Load up Mighty or Tuner Studio. Go to your ignition dwell table. Set to 2.5. Save. Cycle the power.
Bluetooth mode.
Make sure it's out of gear. In theory, this should start.
Bluetooth mode.
And there we go. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.